Do you know what? Usually all the college students waste their time on social media, scrolling through reels and watching cat videos. But we are different. We utilize our time to make better opportunities for our future.
And now we are sitting at LinkedIn office as a campus ambassador of NIMS University.
But why LinkedIn, right?
Very simple. With 1 billion professional users, it's a perfect platform.
To connect with industry leaders, learn from experts, and build a network. Plus, it's where top companies come to find talent.
We don't scroll only reels, we build our future.
And today we are going to take you behind the scenes of our visit to the LinkedIn office.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song.
I love the energy, I love your storytelling. I love how real you are in this whole process.
The result and the winners, NIMS University.
My power's turned on.